iro3d is the world's first affordable metal 3D printer. Currently, if you live in the Seattle area, you can buy a beta version for $5,000. iro3d produces strong, high-carbon steel objects.
It takes about 24 hours to print something like this. The consumables for each of these objects would cost you less than $50.
Here's how it works. You pour build and support powders into the refill containers. And you put the bottom half of the crucible here. Open the iro3d program. Connect to the printer. And upload your STL file here. Then slice it. Check that it looks okay in the preview. And then start the print. It's a good idea to watch it print, at least in the beginning, to make sure everything's okay. Don't leave the printer unattended, especially the beta version. It's pretty reliable, but just in case, be at least within hearing distance from it, even if you're not looking at it.
If something goes wrong, press the emergency stop button. The print will finish pouring after a number of hours.
Next, bake it in a kiln. There are more details here, but we'll leave them for another video. After it cools down, take it out. Clean it up with a wire brush. And there you have it.